Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a battery from a Cadillac SRX. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. The battery in a Cadillac SRX is often found under the rear seat or in the trunk, so locate it first. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. It's crucial to start with the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery. Next, do the same for the positive terminal, again using a 10mm wrench, and remove that cable as well. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. This is typically a clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. You'll often need a 13mm socket to loosen the bolt that holds it down. Once the hold down is removed, carefully lift the battery out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. When installing a new battery, always clean the battery tray and terminals to ensure good contact. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, reversing the removal order. This helps prevent sparks. For more great tips and deals, including that link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.